Okay, this is the video audio test for the GoPro Hero 10 action camera. This is a few outdoor shots, talking to camera, so you can see what the audio's like, or hear what the audio's like, and see what the video quality's like. I've got it on super wide, the action mode, and so yeah, so just a few shots I'll do. This is the outdoor test for the GoPro Hero 10, and I'll do a few indoor shots so you can see what the difference is in the audio and the video quality. So that's a shot I thought I'd do without me talking to camera, just see the noise levels and stuff like that, just the cars passing and things. Well, there's a bit of rain coming down, which ain't gonna bother the GoPro because it is waterproof down to 10 meters, so drop of rain's not going to do it any harm. So that's the outdoor video audio test, and now I'll do a quick shot of an indoor, what it sounds like indoors. Okay, so this is what the GoPro Hero 10 sounds like indoors.